Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Say It with Loretta. I'm Loretta, so today we're going to be talking about 5 easy English questions you should know, and I'll teach you. The first question is, what is your name? I'll say it again. What is your name? You can answer that question by saying, my name is whatever your name is, Loretta. What is your name? My name is Loretta. Once again, what is your name? My name is Loretta. The next question, where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from California. Where are you from? I am from California. How old are you? How old are you? I am 30 years old. How old are you? I am 30 years old. What do you do? What do you do? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. What do you do? I am a teacher. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Or you can say, no, I do not speak English. Do you speak English? No, I do not speak English. Or you can say, I speak a little English. Do you speak English? I speak a little English. All of these examples that I have given, my responses, are for training purposes only. The answers, except one, are all incorrect if you wanted to know about me. Yes, my name is Loretta. And that concludes this video. Thanks for studying with me.